I'm Renã Robinson, Associate Professor of Chemistry at Vanderbilt University. I'm passionate about fostering opportunities for diverse and inclusive STEM education for underrepresented students. When I was in elementary school, I was bused from my neighborhood to a predominantly white school. I noticed stark differences in the quality of education and wrote a letter to my superintendent. I benefited from after-school programs and role models, but my neighborhood did not. The most underserved students in STEM continue to be kids just like me, female, racial or ethnic minority, and economically disadvantaged. And consistently, we are only awarded 11 out of 100 science and engineering research doctorates, despite comprising almost 1/3 of the population. Meet the experienced team ready to change that. NOBCChE, the largest U.S. network of Black chemists and chemical engineers, the American Chemical Society, Hutson Consulting Services, and Vanderbilt University. Our solution focuses on expanding successful projects we're already doing, hands-on science training, holistic mentorship for students and families, and teacher trainings. The key is leveraging existing connections with our broad network of STEM college students and professionals. Success will be measured by students pursuing STEM majors, identifying themselves as scientists, and durable support systems. Join us in creating a truly inclusive STEM workforce by investing in students today.